Kyle, Your Behind BBQ, and today we're making candied bacon sweet potatoes. All right, so first thing we're gonna do, got your sweet potatoes here. We're gonna cut the edges off. Get rid of those, we don't need those. Now, this is one of my favorite things to do during Thanksgiving or any special holiday. In fact, you could do it any other day you want. So I'll cut these in half, and then I will cut these again. Cut that, and then we're gonna cut this right in half like that. So you got big wedges. Okay, so now you got your bacon, you got a pan. You're gonna throw these in the pan, like so. Then I got 1/3 cup of cooking oil, vegetable oil, not olive oil. So vegetable oil is gonna go in, and then we're gonna grab our Your Behind BBQ hot honey garlic rub. We are gonna add that inside. Okay, now we're going to mix these. Mix them up, mix them up, mix them up. Now you can add whatever kind of seasoning you'd like. My favorite for this recipe is hot honey garlic. So I will get these, I will get our cheap bacon. Why do we use cheap bacon? Leave me a comment down below why we use cheap bacon. We use cheap bacon because it's real elastic and it allows you to wrap things. You ever get a jalapeno popper and all your stuff comes out before the bacon's cooked? Well, because your bacon's too thick. So I'm going to wrap this bacon all the way around. Okay, our GMG is now set at 300 degrees. I'm gonna throw these in on the top rack. Let's let them roll. All right, after 1 hour, these bad boys are ready to roll. Man, these look amazing. Oof, telling you, the perfect holiday treat. If you enjoyed this video, like, subscribe, and I'll catch y'all on the next one. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, ring the bell so you don't miss a thing.